Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to reset your Instagram password in 2024. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open the Instagram app on your smartphone and make sure that it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. And once you have opened your Instagram app, click on the option saying log into another account. From here, you can see an option that says forgot password right below the login fields, so tap on it. You will have to enter your username or email address whose password you want to reset and simply click on continue. Now Instagram will ask you to choose how you would like to reset your password. You can either use your phone number or your email address or your password. For this tutorial video, I will be using the phone option. So clicking on continue. After that, a verification code will be sent to you by the Instagram app. Once verified, you will be prompted to set a new password. Make sure it is strong as well as memorable. And once you have typed in the new password, simply click on the option saying continue and that will change the password of your Instagram account. And there you have it. Resetting your Instagram password is that simple. If this tutorial helped you guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.